Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I wanted to show you guys some of the new deals that came up online finally on Home Depot's website for DeWalt. Now we've been talking about this for a few weeks now, where there would be these free 5 amp hour battery deals going on like you see right here on the screen. And kind of interesting, they're hard to find online to like just have it come right up. Sometimes with the DeWalt deals, you'll hit like a little link on the shopping cart here and it'll say, you know, show the other deals in this category or something like that, but we don't have that right now. So anyway, what we want to show you here today, in addition to this, we're going to show you all of the 5 amp hour battery tool deals from DeWalt. There's a small handful of them. I'm going to put links down in the video description below for you to this 5 amp hour battery deals. We're also going to put the direct links to DeWalt's Buy More, Save More promos, because there's more tools on that promo than you see on the end cap at the store. So I wanted to let you know. A lot of people think, oh, you just go into the store and that little narrow section there is all you see. There's actually a lot more tools in that deal. Then I'm going to show you also links to the discounted combo kits that DeWalt currently has online that a lot of people probably weren't aware of. We're also going to show you links to the top DeWalt deals that are up to 30% off. So I'll have them sorted for you already in the deals that are the most discounted. So let's get right into this. Okay, so the first deal here is the Atomic series, the cordless brushless multi-tool here. So they're giving away the 5 amp hour battery with it. Okay, it's the Atomic series, it's not their XR series. It would have been a whole lot better if they had included XR series. So here's all of the different deals they have going on with that. If you were to look down for the XR, and it looks like I don't even think they have any in stock in our store, but $99 tool only is what the regular XR series goes for by itself. I have both of these and I've stacked them up side by side, and you know, most people would be pretty hard pressed to a difference between the two. So you're not getting too bad of a deal here on this one. So as you can see, the Atomic here normally goes for $129 tool only by itself. Whereas you can see here that the DeWalt 5 amp hour battery is currently sold at Home Depot right now at $149. Now we have seen it during Black Friday as low as $99 on sale. So that happens a few times throughout the year. But at least for right now, the total value of this deal is over a couple of $100. So as you can see right over here, it says you're saving $119, 48% off. So the bundle is actually worth $248 as they show you right here. So I'll put the link to this down below for you. And as I've mentioned before, as a disclosure, you know, anytime we give you links to like Home Depot or Amazon, we get a small commission. And so we appreciate you folks supporting our channel by choosing to buy your tools and stuff through all of the links that we provide for you. That's what helps us keep producing more great content for you folks, and we keep buying more and more tools to do our tool giveaways with. Okay, so the next deal offering the free 5 amp hour battery, as you can see here, is the cordless router. And so this deal is normally $298 and they're saving us $99, so we get 33% off on this particular deal. So any of you who've watched our videos in tool deals over the last few months, you know that this DeWalt router normally sells for $199 unless you can get it as part of a buy one get one tool deal, which many of us do. That's really the only time I suggest buying these. So in this case here, you're buying this, but you're not paying $199. You're paying $199 for both this and the battery. And some people have told me they've already hacked the battery. And so I forget how much they're giving you. I would assume they're probably going to give you about $80, $70 or $80 back for the battery. So that would greatly average your price down on this router, probably down to around the $110, $120 range. Next up on the bill here, folks, is the sander, and I love this little sander. I have this. I've just finally got it in that 6-tool kit for Black Friday a few months back, and I've been using it on our friend's remodeling project that we've been doing for the last few months. And so, yeah, this one here, they're giving us 52% off total by throwing in that 5 amp hour battery into the deal. And so this sander is normally $129 on its own anyway. So yeah, you're getting a great deal here. And again, you can hack the battery if you want and really reduce your price on this. You know, in fact, using the sander, it's kind of a double-edged sword here, because I like having the lighter weight of using a smaller battery on there, but the smaller batteries will give out fairly quickly. So you have to decide. I would say just keep the 5 amp hour batteries. You can't have too many 5 amp hour batteries. Okay, so next up here we have at 49% savings. They're selling us the DeWalt Jobsite fan. I have this fan. I love this fan. It is such an incredible fan that gives you a nice cool breeze when you're working inside of like a hot room. You just set it down somewhere near you and blow it in your direction, and man, is it awesome. So they're giving us the 5 amp hour battery with this one too. Now this entire deal is $119, 49% off, as you can see here. It's a good deal. It's not the best deal we've ever seen on this. I got this actually a year ago today, believe it or not, during COVID shutdown. I picked this up at $99 at Home Depot. This exact same one. This was in store at our local Home Depot. So for $119, you know, you're only off by $20 as from the lowest price we've ever seen it at. And I've even had a few people say they got it even cheaper than $99 last year too. So I think they were probably doing it because of COVID. I don't think we'll ever see it lower than this ever again, because normally they do sell this tool anywhere from $119 to $129 under normal situations as a tool only. See, there it is in its tool only form for $119 by itself. Okay, now those of you looking for an excuse to pick up an impact wrench, here is your excuse, folks, because normally this sells for $149 tool only, but now they're throwing in the 5 amp hour battery. And again, you can choose to hack it if you want and return it to average your price down, but I would say, you know, I'm still a fan of collecting up lots of batteries. But yeah, here you are, $149, and this impact wrench goes up to 150 foot-pounds of torque. So it should easily handle any lug nuts on most of our cars and pickup trucks. You know, there might be some pickups that have requirements of over 150, but I doubt it. Okay. Now I wanted to show you some of the DeWalt Buy More, Save More tool deals. And as we pointed out before, you know, you just have that little image of it there in the store of that little small section on the end cap, but there's many more tools applied to this deal. So for example, I'm looking here, there's 47 different results here on this. So many more than what you see on the display in the store. So I'll put a link to this down below here so you can come and take a look, but here's all of the different tools here. Now the way this works here is it's not quite as good as Milwaukee's plan, because I think Milwaukee gives you up to $150 in savings, whereas you can see here DeWalt is only giving you up to $120 savings. So your key here is, if you're going to try to do this deal, you want to pick the 3 least expensive tools. So you probably wouldn't want to be doing it with the jigsaw, because it's a $199 tool. You'd probably want to be doing it with things that are $129 here. And I'm going to see if there's anything that's like around the $99 range. Or see here like a battery, 4 amp hour battery, or $109 here if you were looking for a drill driver. So those are the kind of things you want to try to do it for, unless you absolutely need to be buying those tools anyway, and see if there's something here on this list that you would like to get. So there's basically 2 pages worth of results here on this. So I will put this link down in the video description below for you, and just go take a look there. And this was interesting here. It's a little hard to figure out on this one. You'd have to really sit down and run some numbers. But so this is the FLEXVOLT table saw that I bought, that you guys saw me bought live on my live stream about 2 months ago. And I've been using it at my friend's house for her remodel. And man, what a great table saw this is. I paid $4.99 at Home Depot for this, and it came with 2 FLEXVOLT batteries. So that's another thing you might want to consider. If you were going to buy one of these, go and buy one in the store where it comes with the 2 batteries, and make sure it shows it on the box, because it'll show that it comes with 1 battery normally and then a bonus FLEXVOLT battery. So for an extra $100, you're getting 2 batteries. And then, as you remember, I bought this for $4.99 minus that 10% off Lowe's coupon, which many Home Depot stores are starting to stop taking them anyway. It's showing this is out of stock right now, but I think if the kit version that I bought with the 2 batteries might be in stock for you. Okay, so the next link I want to show you is the select deals on the combo kits from DeWalt here at Home Depot. So what they've got here is it says up to $120 off select combo kits. Not all of these are the greatest deals. Some are okay. Like this is only $50 savings, $50 savings. I look at the percentage too, you know, like those are in the low teens. But then they have others here that are like, here's one that's 40% off on this kit because they're throwing in this atomic reciprocating saw here. This particular deal, I love this kit, but $399 is not a good deal. We've seen it as low as $275 last year, and they're not showing any discount on it. So I don't know why they have it lumped in on this list of the deals here, unless it was there before and maybe it ended on that particular one. I don't know. But anyway, just, you know, look through this list and see if there's any kits that you are interested in. And there's the percent savings next to them. So here's another one here that's 34%, because, you know, the ones that end up giving you the bigger discount are because they've thrown in one of the nicer tools. Like in here, they've thrown in the impact driver. So the next category of DeWalt deals at Home Depot that I want to show you here is their top up to 30% off DeWalt tool deals. Some of them might be some of those combo kits involved that I just showed you on the previous step. But here they've listed all sorts of different deals that are going on. And remember to always make sure to look where the green lettering is here below the price to see if you're really saving, because some of these deals you're not really saving anything. I think all of the ones on this page you are, but you saw on the previous deal links that I showed you for those combo kits, there was a few that they weren't showing any savings at all. Okay, so I'll put a link to this down below and you can search. There's about 131 DeWalt tool deals here with varying degrees of savings, you know, like the black and gold drill kit here. So go ahead and take a look through those as well. And hopefully this helps you decide if you were on the fence about a DeWalt tool. So if you're finding this video useful so far, hey, would you do us a favor, please? Give us a thumbs up down below that tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, folks, all I can say is, why haven't you? You can see all of the great world-class videos that we've uploaded for you. We cover all sorts of remodeling projects around your house. We cover kitchen remodeling, and as you saw here, the microwave install, kitchen cabinet installations. We cover all sorts of bathroom remodeling. We cover tiling floors around your house, and we also cover, you know, laminate flooring, and we also cover all sorts of engineering disasters, and you can see all of the tool review videos that we do for you, and we do drop testing as well on them. And then we're also very well known for our shop with me's in the big box hardware stores, finding you the best tool deals out there. So make sure you click on that subscribe button down below, because after all, it's free, folks. And when you do that, make sure you click that little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a video, because you've seen our videos. You know you don't want to miss one of ours. They're very nice. So thank you so much for tuning in with us this week, folks. And we will see you on the next one.